Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week is all about learning two greeting cards for Mother's Day. Very simple tutorial. So if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so now. All the materials are listed down below and the links are in the description box. The first one is this beautiful wreath tutorial. I have listed down everything that you will require. For this one, gather your cardstock and your flowers and your embellishments. What I have done is I've picked a similar color palette for all the embellishments for it to marry together. I have taken white cardstock, written Happy Mother's Day and just cut it into smaller pieces. All of these embellishments did not have double-sided tape. I have added the double-sided tape on the back side. Since some of them are 3D flowers, you might want to put extra tape to make sure that when you stick it, it's secure enough and it does not come off. Then go ahead and arrange these flowers in the way that you like before peeling the tape off and then pasting it. I have done this plenty of times, so I have enough experience with it. If you're not sure, just make that arrangement first and then go on to stick it. And that's it. It is super simple, very cute, very easy to make. Now, the next card is this very cute teacup card. This teacup is something that I have cut on my own using my own template. So if you want the template, leave a DM and I'll send it across to you. After cutting the teacup, I have the rim of the teacup and the bottom, I have covered it in golden glitter. It is completely optional. I have also taken white cardstock and again written thank you for helping me grow as a sentiment and pasted it in the center of the teacup. Same thing like the first card, gone ahead and stuck double side tape behind these flowers and gone ahead and secured the perfect place or the places for these flowers where I feel apt. I have taken a brush pen and drawn the stems and the leaves for the flowers. You can use a sketch pen or a colored pencil. If you're unsure about doing this freehand, I would highly recommend to draw this with a pencil first and then go on to stick the flowers and draw the stem so that you don't mess it up. I was pretty confident about it, so I have directly gone in without further thought. Again, these are super simple tutorials, very easy to do. Each card takes under 10 minutes to make, especially if all the material is ready with you. There are other Mother's Day craft and art tutorials on my feed as well, so don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for more such videos. Now go ahead and draw these leaves as per your whims and fancies. What I have not shown in this video is that I was not quite happy with how the sentiment was looking in the center of this teacup. So eventually I have peeled this off and put it on top of the card. If you're doing this, please make sure that you do it with a very light hand and make sure that your paper is such that it peels off easily. I was lucky with that. So all in all, what I'm trying to say is just be sure of the placement of the flowers and the sentiment so you don't have to peel it later on or like redo it, because that might affect the overall finishing. Also, in case you don't want to draw these leaves, if you have paper stems and leaves, you can also use that. The choice is completely yours. So you have it, two cards for Mother's Day which are super simple to make and very, very cute. Do try it out and let me know how it turns out. I'll see you next week and thank you for watching.